Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel again. In today's video I'm going to show you this Loria Paris color. It's an excellence intense color, and cream color intense reflects coloration, cream reflect intense. So this is how what is written over here, and over here they have mentioned the color like deep pure black, pour noir profound. I don't understand the last word, but yeah, it's pure black color. My hair color is black and I'm getting few of the gray, so I thought to color them. Over here in this they have mentioned the reflect intense and all the things which they have used like keratin, creamine, collagen and more, and the shades which they have more shades and how it looks on you. All things are mentioned, and over here you could see yeah, from here you can see this is a serum. First you have to apply serum to your head, then over here it's cream and developer. You have to mix both of them and then apply to your head, and this is a you could say it's kind of a conditioner which you have to apply later after washing your hair. So these 4 ingredients are inside this pack, so let's not wait for much and open it. So first comes the booklet. They have this paper in which they have mentioned how to use these products, like first apply the serum and then mix the both ingredient which I told you, and after washing apply the conditioner. Don't shampoo, means these things are mentioned over here. You also get a glove. As you can see, 5 ingredients you get in this pack. Have a closer look to this. Now comes the product. So friends, as I told you, it's a serum which you have to apply to your hair first. Apply the serum, then mix these 2 ingredients. As you can see, the numbers are also there. This is first, second and third. These 2 you have to mix. After mixing, you have to put this as a cap of this bottle. Mix this in this bottle and cap it with this. It's a kind of comb. It's very easy to apply, means you don't need to take help from any other person. You just need to apply this and apply to your hair like this. After washing, you have to apply this conditioning balm. So this is the conditioner which you have to apply later on, and then wash your hair again. So this is it, friends. If you like this video, do not forget to subscribe to my channel and press that bell icon for more my videos. Thank you. Bye bye. Take care.